You already know what you could hand off. So why does delegating still feel unsafe? Because a task list is not a system. And without a system, a handoff is just chaos with extra steps. Here is what actually makes it hold. 3 rails. 1. Written protocols. Get the steps out of your head and onto the page, the way your practice wants them done. 2. A review step. Someone checks the work before it goes out, so errors are caught early, not by your patience. 3. An escalation path. Anything unusual comes straight back to you, and the final say always stays with the clinician. Think about what has no system today. Denied claims. Industry reporting keeps showing most denials are never appealed, and that a large share of the ones that are filed succeed. That is recoverable revenue, just sitting there for lack of a person and a process. A trained assistant works that queue inside your protocols, while you keep the oversight. Build the 3 rails once, and the handoff finally holds. Systems over heroics. See where to start. The link is below.